Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to honor your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, going for a put here at 46. All right, I'll go ahead and pause for now. I should note that I am doing options here. So if you have no idea what I mean when I say options, let me know in the comment section. Just put guide, please, and I'll link you to a free class that I put together called The Big Basics of Options. And it'll walk you through the terminology, how this is all working. Options do have a reputation of being overly complicated and stuff like that. And they can be made complicated, don't get me wrong, but they don't need to be complicated. So if you like to take more of a simplistic approach like I do, then I'm confident that guide can help give you a firm foundation. So like I said, just comment guide or options guide and I will link you to that class. All right, I will pause. All right, gonna go for a call here at 50.50. Got that at 50.50. And out for a quick $100. That whole trade lasted, I don't even think 5 seconds. You can scroll back and do the time if you want, but very, very fast, $100. So nice way to start off the morning. And if this thing wants to come down some more, I will be ready. In fact, I'll throw an order out there at 48 if it wants to come down there. It's starting to drop a bit. Needs to come down a bit more. All right, I will pause for now. Have an order at 48.70 here for a put. Well, for a second it was looking like I might have been getting close, but not for now. Okay, I'll pause. Have an order at 48.50 here. Well, it got close, so let's go to 47.50 now. So I was looking to get filled on that move. It didn't happen, so I'll readjust down to 47.50 now. I will pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 52.50. Now I'm gonna cancel it out now. Looking over at the 5-minute time frame. This right here is the 1-minute time frame. Looking over at the 5-minute. That's borderline forcing a trade there. This wants to come up a bit more. There we go. I'm glad I didn't get in there because I'd be doing not so good right now. I will try 51 though. In at 51, put. I'm going to adjust that order down a bit. See what it wants to do here. See if it wants to come back down. So out there for a $50 loss on that one. All right. May still come back down, and yeah, maybe could have gotten out with a slightly, but this is all hindsight, because if this thing comes back up, I'm going to be feeling real good. But clearly was not as good of an entry point as what I thought it was. And I can always get back in, reposition myself. But yeah, that one didn't quite go according to plan. So $50 loss on that. Let's see what else I can find. All right, going to try for put here at 49.50. I'll keep you posted, but I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 49 now. Nope. I'm going to go to 47.50 now and just look for some sort of breakout. All right, I will pause. Okay, going to go for put here at 54.50. Might have been too slow. Let's see what it wants to do. $53.70 now. Oh, close. Close. Nope. Got to do 52.70 now. Let's go 52.50. All right, I will pause. Okay, maybe. Well, for a second, 52.50 looked like it might have been getting close. All right, I'll pause. Oh, never mind. See what I mean? It was just... All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 55. Go to 54.50 instead. Looking for a put. Whoops. I'm at 53.70 now. I'll go ahead and pause. Have an order at 53.70. Close. All right, well, we'll go back to that original plan at 52.50 now. And I will pause. All right, going to go for one here at 53, and I got that a put. At 53. See what it wants to do here. Try for one here at 52. So let's see if we can get a bit of a pullback here. Whoa. Whoa, that happened fast. Was there news? Wow. You know, so that is a learning lesson there. I scattered out 2 orders. I should not have had 2 orders out there. Now, that first one I had out there, I should have had out there. But that's the exact reason why you don't want to just throw all your orders out there, because had I not had that other order, I would have gotten that jump in my favor and been, oh, wow, okay, yeah. And I would have gotten, I mean, that would have been over $100 on that last contract I had, because that was a kind of a random crazy move down. But because I had both my sell orders already scattered out there, it took me out for what I wanted, which is fine. But now I look and say, oh, wow, I could have had a lot more. So if you have multiple, shares or contracts, just something to keep in mind. Again, all situations are going to be a little different, but in that situation, I really didn't have any reason to have both orders just thrown out there the way I did. So a mistake on my part to have both. One of them, fine, but both, yeah, that one definitely cost me. All right, so only $40 on that one. I say only just because that one should have been up over $100, seeing how that crazy action happened. But it is what it is. If this wants to come back up, I would be interested once again. I will pause. I have an order at 52 here for a put. All right, let's try 50, 50. I'm at $50.50. Seeing that momentum, I'm gonna go ahead to $49.70 now. Or I'm open to the idea of moving it up to $51.50. But I want to see how this candle continues to behave. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 50.50 here for a put. Needs to come up just a bit more. I'm just going to go to 50 at this point. And I'm in at 50. For a put. See what it wants to do here. And out for $50. Very good. Patience was displayed on that one. Got a nice entry. Got my $50. And so I guess that one losing trade is wiped away. That's always good. But we need to go to 48.50 now. And we'll start the process over again. So we'll see if this thing wants to keep coming up. And if it does, I'll be ready at 48.50. I will pause for now. Have an order at 56.10 here for a put. In. And out for a very, very fast $50. Very good. I'll go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record? Please tell me I hit record. I did. All right, I'll pause. All right, that's all I have for you. Gonna wrap things up. So had a losing trade, which no mistakes, it just didn't work out. And then had that mistake, which cost me quite a bit. And then had a couple other trades that worked out very well, including, I think that first trade, if I remember right, wasn't that like $100 in a few seconds? I think so, if I remember, but that's been a while ago. But overall, it is what it is. So a little disappointed that I did that one mistake earlier on, but overall, I'll take it, especially for the kind of time and effort involved. Some nice extra cash in my pocket, and this is just a side hustle for me, one of multiple streams of income that I have. And if you're curious more about those streams of income, just let me know in the comment section. I did put a link together that walks you through all those, but that's all I have here. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.